On EJ, okay, coming to the end of the week, you can see how let me just I always tell my students that when there's a buying candle on the daily time frame, there's a higher chance the next candle is going to be a buying candle right there. Okay, so I hope most of you were with me when we had this daily candle closure and this prior candle that closed bullish. And I said we could see a few bullish days before the market ends, as you can see, one, two. Okay, now what am I saying? After one candle, the next candle could be bullish or bearish. So we'll see in a minute. So now from yesterday, we saw this big bullish candle and more or less, sorry, I more or less got out a position right here. Okay, so I remember on the 1 hourly, my previous video, I said if we could break below this on this 1 hour area of support, we could expect a further pull back. So as you can see, the market broke that area and more or less continued, had me in a loss for a while. Okay, but I more or less still held the trade. Why? Because I knew, okay, that the previous daily candle was a bullish candle. Okay, so unless the market decides to close bearish, that's when I'm wrong. So even though the market was dipping down below my entry point, I still had my stop was below the previous lows of this candle. So unless the market could clear the previous low of the previous daily candle and close as a bearish candle, that's when I want to be out of my buying position. I hope you guys get me. So you see the market dip down, okay, back into 171,875 and then rally to the upside. It was a good trade, guys. I'm actually out of this trade now. Took about 75 pips on the market from this position because I don't really hold trades through the weekend. So that's the trade for the week. So it was actually still a nice trade. Okay, we had this dip back into 171,875 before rallying back to the upside. Okay, what could EJ do next? Looking at the weekly, using the concept I just said on the weekly, seeing how the weekly closed, big bullish candle. What could we expect for next week? A big buying momentum as well. How far is it going to go? We don't know yet. We just have to follow the market a weekly candle at a time, a daily candle at a time, and 4 hour structure at a time. So it was a good week in the market. Okay, I hope you guys caught a percentage or at least some of the trades that I called out for the week, and I hope to provide you guys as much value as I can in the future. Okay, like I said on my other video, I might do uh, a video this weekend explaining the concept of the charts. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet. It has to be on high demand, so go look through the comments on YouTube and on TradingView here and see how I can help um, provide you guys with some more as much value as I can on the market or the charts. Okay, so yeah, that's the trading. That's the video, guys. Hope you guys had a good trading week. Enjoy your weekends. I don't really look at charts on the weekend. I'm not on my seat. I'm not in the office on the weekends. So, um, if you have a message you'd like to send to me, okay, my email is on TradingView here. Okay, you can drop a message with me, and I will more or less view it. But I don't really come to the charts on weekends. So, yeah, have a good trading week, guys. Have a good weekend, guys.